Hello kids, it's Gamze teacher speaking here. Welcome to the reading writing lesson. Please be ready with your our 5 students books and with your notebooks and also with your dictionaries and your pencils, everything. Please open your notebook. Keep your notebook always open because as you know, this is the lesson. What was our lesson? Name of our lesson? It is reading and writing. So we're gonna read and all the time we're gonna write. So you remember that we are in unit 6 now. It's amazing plants. We saw the picture last lesson and you remember the plant here. We know that this is Australian sundew. You know, every different kinds of plants, they are all in Australia. We read the explanation here. I want to show you again here. As you remember, yes, we did this part, true false part together, and I asked you to look up the dictionary for the vocabulary that you don't know the meaning. Today I'm going to give you the synonyms of the vocabulary. I hope you did this, but please write what I write in your notebooks. We watched the video, so I'm skipping this part. Do you remember this part? So I think we listened to the track, so let's listen and repeat again, so to remember the vocabulary.
Track B3, Activity 2. Listen and repeat.
Attract. The sweet smells of flowers attract insects. A leaf. A green insect is hiding under those leaves. Behavior. Learn more about a plant's behavior. Light. All plants need light to live. A root. A plant gets food through its roots. Ground. Most plants have their roots under the ground. Bacteria. There is a lot of bacteria in the ground. Adapt. Plants and animals adapt to where they live. Survival. The survival of most plants depends on getting enough water.
Please repeat just the vocabulary.
A strategy. Plants and animals have a strategy for survival.
Not the sentence, okay? Just the word.
Smell.
Smell.
That plant is beautiful, but it smells horrible. Trick.
Trick.
The rotting meat smell of the plant tricks flies. Trap.
Trap.
The plant traps the insect so it can't get away. Digest.
Digest.
The plant digests the food. A stem.
Stem.
The stem of the plant holds the flower.
Okay, I want to show you something here. It's very strange. I know that you will find it very strange. Can you see that? Can you see this picture? This is very strange, right? This is a plant and it looks like a kind of flower, but what is that here? Can you see? I think it's disgusting. This is a fly. Yes, we don't like these flies, but I pity it. So this is a plant, but plant is eating an insect. Okay, it is Venus flytrap, southern Brazil. Okay, the name of the plant is that Venus flytrap. It is it is a trap for the flies. Okay, maybe we can buy this kind of plants to our houses for summer days, to the balconies. You know, there are so many flies around. Maybe it will work. And can you see here stem? Stem is here, right? It is the branch of the plant, okay? So this is a very strange picture for me. Strange, okay. Let's go to the another video to watch. Please read the underlines, okay, while you are watching. I think we played that, but I'm just going to show you the video again. Then I will continue.
Let's learn more words about how plants adapt in order to survive. Strategy. A strategy is a type of plan. We may not think plants have strategies, but they do.
Strategy, yeah. Did you see the plant? What is this strategy? We don't know, but this is very, dangerous plant. It doesn't look like that, but can you see the bee inside it? It is now a prey. This plant is predator. Do you remember the word predator? Okay, and the bee is the prey.
Plants develop their strategies over very long periods of time. This type of plant, called a Venus flytrap, has got a really interesting strategy for getting food.
Yes, it has.
Oh,
If an insect climbs onto
did you see it? Oh my god, poor bee.
the Venus flytrap, the plant snaps shut and traps the insect.
It's very scary. I don't want to meet this plant. This is very scary. Oh my
The
god.
plant then eats the insect.
Oh,
That's true.
normally the animals eat, the plants. For example, cows or the sheep. They're animals and they eat the plants. And sometimes bees, they get the pollens of the flowers to make honey. But this is very strange. Oh my god.
But when plants eat, they don't chew like you and me. They digest their food slowly.
That just means that, did you look up the dictionary? I think you did, but that just means that when you have the food, when you eat something, it goes directly into your stomach and your stomach tries to consume it. I told you this from the last lesson, okay? Do you remember? Poor ant.
Another strategy lots of plants use is to attract insects.
Oh my.
A pitcher plant has a liquid inside it that attracts insects.
Oh my god, this plant is pitcher plant, the name of it, and liquid means that something like water, okay? Something like water inside it, and it attracts insects. It attract means that to get the attention, okay? Oh my god, this is very strange. Poor insect.
If an insect wants to drink the liquid, it climbs onto the plant.
Oh my.
And sometimes the insect falls into the pitcher. Then the pitcher plant uses the liquid to digest the insect.
Oh my god, the insects are thirsty. They want to drink the water or something like that, and they see the liquid on the plant. They climb there and they are no prey. The plant eats the insect by using the water, the liquid in it. Ugh.
Ouch!
This may sound strange, but did you know that one way plants attract insects is by smelling bad? Some plants stink, but some insects actually like that smell and are attracted to the plant.
This is also very strange. Stink, you know what? Stink means smell bad, okay? When something smells bad, we say that it stinks. But some insects like stinky plants, they say.
Some plants are actually famous for smelling bad. Some smell like dead animals. A plant called the Titan arum is said to stink of rotting meat. Some insects love the smell.
Smelling bad, tricking and trapping insects are adaptations and behaviours.
You know what behavior is?
Plants have developed these amazing behaviours over many, many years. They help the plants to survive.
There's so much to learn about plants, and it's also interesting. Let's review some of the things we've learned.
Okay, I think we did this part. So, now I will write you the meanings of the words, the vocabulary, so you can copy. Maybe you forgot to write. Okay, so I'm gonna write. Okay, please write too. Adapt is verb. Okay, it means adjust to. It means that, for example, it is like adaptation. Okay, for example, you start a new school, you are somewhere new and you are the new kid. After a few months, no, you adapt it, you get used to the place. It means that adapt. Okay, do you understand me? Are you sure? The second word is attract. Attract means draw attention. Okay, attention means dikkat, you remember? So attract means, okay, let's give an example. Today a very beautiful came to school and she attracted all the people around him. Okay, draw attention means that. Do you understand me? Okay, are you sure? You're sure. Okay, bacteria, noun, and it is always singular. Okay, it is microorganisms. Bacteria, you know what it is. Okay, in Turkish. And another word, digest, is also verb. Sorry. I explained the meaning of digest to you. It means that when you eat something, it goes into your stomach and your stomach tries to consume it. Okay, and root, base, core. Root means, for example, for a plant, the top of the plant is on the floor, on the ground, on the soil, and the roots of a plant is under the soil, under the ground. Okay, this is root, like family roots. Stem means stalk of a plant. I showed you on the picture. Okay, for example, you are holding a flower. Where do you hold the flower? From the stem. Okay, it is the stem of a plant. And there is another word. This is, you know this word, survive, survivor, and survival. Okay, it means continuation, to go forward, to live. And petal, green foliage of a plant. Are you writing? You have to write this vocabulary. You remember that you have to write what I write. And thorn. Thorn means, for example, you know the flower rose, okay? Roses are very beautiful flowers, but they have thorns. And if you hold thorn, your finger may, you know, bleed, okay? It may hurt you. And last word, vine. Vine means that climbing plant, you know. Vine means that climbing plant. For example, from these leaves of this plant, we have a very delicious Turkish food, you know, yaprak sarma. Vine means that climbing plant, okay? Do you understand me? I'm sure you understand. Okay, you're gonna write this. You can stop the video and write all of this. Your homework is to write these words 5 times in your notebooks, okay? And okay, let's go. Again, let's watch the song video.
Leaf and stem and flower and root, the sweet, delicious smell of fruit is here and there and everywhere. Plants are all around. Plants are growing up and down. Air is flowing all around. Plants come in every shape and size. Their bright colors attract the eyes of bees and butterflies. Big and small plants survive it all. Leaf and stem and flower and root, the sweet, delicious smell of fruit is here and there and everywhere. Plants are all around. Plants are growing up and down. Air is flowing all around. Some plants play tricks with our eyes. They're made to give us a surprise. A plant is designed to survive, to make new seeds, to grow and thrive. Some of the oldest plants on earth
I don't want to sing the song with you.
high, drinking in the light,
My voice
reaching up
is
into
horrible.
the sky. Leaf and stem and flower and root, the sweet, delicious smell of fruit is here and there and everywhere. Plants are all around.
Okay, I wanted to sing the song with you, but as you know, my voice is horrible, so I don't want to torture you guys. Okay, so our lesson is about to finish. What I want from you, please read this. You can take a video while you are reading, or you can send me a audio record reading this. Nobody sent me the audio recording. I want it. Please read this and please send me your videos or audio recordings through my number, okay? So you remember your homework. You're going to write the vocabulary and then 5 times in your notebook. So see you. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Love you very much. Bye.